some sails and my boss won't be happy, but I can't stop listening to the sound of two soft voices blended in perfection from the reels of this record that I found. Every day there's a boy in the mirror asking me, what are you doing here? Finding all my previous motives growing increasingly unclear. I've traveled far and I burned all the bridges I believed as soon as I hit land. All the other options held before me would wither in the light of my plan. So I lose some sails and my boss won't be happy, but there's only one thing on my mind. Searching boxes underneath the counter on a chance that on a tape I'd find a song for someone who needs somewhere to long for. Homesick, 'cause I no longer know where home is.
Driving into town with a dark cloud above you, dialing the number who's bound to love you. Oh honey, you turn me on. I'm a radio, I'm a country station, I'm a little bit corny, I'm a wildflower waiting for you, broadcasting tower waiting for you, and I'm sending out this signal here. Hope you can pick it up loud and clear. I know you don't like weak women, you get bored so quick. And you don't like strong women, 'cause they're hip to your tricks. It's been dirty for dirty down the line, but you know I come when you whistle and you're loving and kind. If you've got too many doubts, if there's no good reception for me, then tune me out. 'Cause honey, who needs the static? It hurts the head and you wind up cracking, and the day goes dismal from breakfast party to the sign of prayer. What a sorry face you get to wear. I'm gonna tell you again